Okay, so today we're going to make a Photoshop document in the style of PA Mondrian. Now here we are in Photoshop. I just opened it up. I'm going to go right up here to New File. Okay, and I'm just going to use default Photoshop size. It's fine. All this stuff should be fine. I'm going to click Create. Here's our working document. Now what we want to do is we've got all of our tools here. There's just a couple of them we're going to use. Right down here, yours probably looks like this. Rectangle tool. Okay, I'm going to click and hold the rectangle tool and drag down here to the line tool. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some lines over this image. Okay, here's one. Now here it's black. I'm going to make the stroke of the line, instead of 1 pixel, we can click this drop down and make this line thinner or thicker, kind of like so, more like Mondrian. Now I can make more lines that are pretty much the same. Here's another one. I can make another one like this. Mine are kind of crooked. You might want to make yours a little straighter, kind of like so. Maybe some little ones over here. And we can even lower like so, make this thinner, and then make some thinner lines this way. Okay, so then once we've kind of got it where we want it to be, in order to fill in, like I kind of like this design, so I'll go up here to Layer, Flatten Image. So now it's just one flat image. Now I can go over here to what looks like the gradient tool, hold it, and drop down to the paint bucket. Now I can go over here and use my color picker to pick some colors that I like and just start to fill in. And you kind of start to see, that's a kind of a gross green, but you get the idea. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Not too difficult. Give it a try.